Brian and Audra Brem, and we're from Denver, Colorado. The features that I like most about the machines are really easy. It's the credit card processing machine and the emails we get daily. I mean, knowing what's been vended through those machines, when I wake up in the morning, the first week or so that we started this, I think we get an email around 3:30, 4 in the morning. I'm like waking up at that time to look at what's been sold. And I think the first couple of days, it wasn't much, because there was only one machine, but I'm just excited to see what's in there. And rather than having to wake up at 3 and go drive to that location and look, this is more efficient with our time. We actually know what's been vended. If anything's got caught in there, so on and so forth. I mean, it's a big deal having that. And I think that's a huge thing for us, having that technology. We're really happy with the quality and technology behind it.
The technology is the best part, honestly. I mean, it's so nice, especially when you're talking to a prospect. It's like the biggest sale for us is to be able to tell them, we're not just gonna come here and spend 2 hours with a bunch of food. We actually know what has sold, and we can come in here and be in and out within 20 minutes, make sure everything's clean and everything else.
It even tells you when someone's dangling. So I'll tell them, hey, if someone's dangling and someone got caught and I need to replace your money, I'm gonna know what got dangled, what got caught, and I'm gonna come in and fix the issue. We're so spread out. We're not just focused on one industry or a couple, that really it's specific to each location.
Yeah.
Like the high-rise building, they like this yerba mate beverage drink. They like their Tazo teas, where the gymnastics studio they do a lot of water and Gatorade and gummy bears.
Yeah.
And then like the bus depot does these coffee drinks, and they like potato chips, but they like the sea salt and vinegar. I mean, that's the cool thing I love about this is it's not chess, but it's checkers. You still got to figure out how to get to what they like, but it's not all that hard.
Yeah. And you taste test them you listen to who is eating it too. It's not just, oh, I'm just gonna throw stuff in there and hope and pray that maybe it sells. It's those free days of food, and you listen to what they actually like. Or people come up to us all the time and ask for things too, and those are good sellers for us.
They're kind of breathtaking. I mean, going into the bus area that we are, everyone keeps saying, oh my gosh, these are awesome machines. They're brand new, directly from the manufacturer, and I think they're just wowed by them. Because you go from those old, I don't even know how to say, janky machines, to these new ones that take credit cards and are wrapped the way they are. I think it really makes a presence if you're replacing a vending machine. And if it's not, everyone's like, still, oh my gosh, look at these things. I mean,
people have preconceived notions of vending machines too, because when you pass by places, it's usually like either just a black box or they're really old. They've had a bad experience usually, and when you can say they're brand new and they're wrapped the way they are, everyone's like, oh, okay, huh. That's usually, I mean, that's how I feel like everybody's reaction. They're usually really excited. So I think it's only helped us get into places too.
Yeah. Healthy vending just made sense. So it was very easy, to find a healthy vending machine company and be like, this is it. There was 2 at the time that we were looking at. One was franchise owned and one was Healthy You. Kind of franchise idea, but you own your own company. And it was an easy decision once I learned everything about Healthy You to decide, we don't want to go with the franchise. We want to own our own business and to make our own decisions. But it's nice that Healthy You could streamline the process for us. Have the machines, have them wrapped, all the technology. Cool, let's get on and go on our way. But we get to make the calls. So.
And the biggest thing for us is, since we own a marketing firm, we want to be able to do our own marketing, because that's what we love and what we do on our real jobs. So to be able to not go down the franchise way and be able to actually call our own shots, do our own marketing, do what we love to do still, that was a big deal for us.
Yeah.